Thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing 5 Christmas nail art tutorials, part 2. The first design that I'm going to be doing is the Holly nail tutorial. For my base coat, I mixed 2 nail polishes, NYC Precious Peacock and Essie's Turquoise. Now that my base coat is completely dry, I'm going to go in with my white nail polish and my dotting tool, and I'm going to add 3 white dots on the bottom of my nail toward the cuticle. And I'm going to repeat that process on the tip of my nail to sort of frame my nail in berries. If you have a deep red color that shows up good against the green, you do not have to do this in white. You can just do it with the red. Here with my nail art brush and dark green polish, I'm going right beside where I put the berries and outlining my nail with 1 dark green line on each side. And now I'm going in and giving the appearance of leaves, like pine needle leaves, by adding angled strokes to those lines. Now I'm going to go in with my red nail polish and go over my white dots. And that's it. Let your nail dry, add your top coat, and your holly nail is complete. My next design is going to be the Santa nail tutorial. I started off by applying my base coat. It's a very light beige color, muted by Broadway Nails for the face. Now I am going about 1/4 of the way up from where my cuticle is, and I'm adding in a nice thick red line just straight across my nail. And I'm going to fill that in. This is going to act as Santa's hat. With my blue dotting tool and black nail polish, I'm going to go in just right below where I put in Santa's hat and do 2 black dots for his eyes. Using an off-white nail polish called Purif by Broadway Nails, I am going to go in right underneath the eyes and add his nose. Now to add in the best part about Santa, it's time to add his beard. I'm going to go in with my blue dotting tool and white nail polish, and right underneath the nose, I'm going to go straight across the nail with this white, uneven, bumpy line. And then I'm going to pull that line up on each side of the nail all the way up toward the hat for his sideburns. And then I'm going to fill in the tip of my nail with white polish to complete the beard look. To finish this look off, I'm going to go in with my blue dotting tool and white nail polish, and I'm going to add white dots across the bottom part of his hat, the red line that you added in the beginning. And this will finish off his hair and connect it with the hat. Or you could also look at it as the little white balls that come off Santa's hat. And that's it. Now your Santa nail design is complete. Our third nail design is going to be the Snowflake nail tutorial. Apply your base coat and let it dry completely. You do want this to be opaque, so you may need more than 1 layer. Next, I'm going to go in with my white nail polish and nail art brush, and I'm going to draw an X where I want my snowflake at. Then I'm going to draw a straight line through the X, and this is going to be my snowflake. Now I just need to add in the details. For that, I'm going to go to the tip of each line on my snowflake and add in little V or triangle shapes. Now you can leave your snowflake like that and end your design there, or you can add more detail. I'm going to go in and draw some more lines coming out of the center of the snowflake, and then with my dotting tool add little dots on top of the smaller lines. And to complete the nail look, I'm going to add in a couple more snowflakes, and then with my dotting tool go in and add snow. And that's it. Add your top coat, let it dry, and your snowflake nail is complete. Our fourth design is going to be the Ornament nail tutorial. I'm starting off with a white base coat. And then with my silver nail polish and my nail art brush, I'm going to sketch in a circle in the center of my nail. And I'm going to fill that circle in with my silver nail polish. This is going to be my ornament. Here I'm just going in and touching up my base coat with my white polish. It was a little sheer for my liking, so I just went in and added another layer on top of it. With my light blue nail polish and my nail art brush, I'm going to go in and add a bow on top of my circle. And I'm doing this by making a half heart shape going down into the circle. Next, with my black nail polish and my nail art brush, I'm going to draw a straight line up from the center of that bow up toward the cuticle of my nail. So I could leave my design as is and top coat it and it would be perfectly fine, but I'm going to take my hollow glitter polish and I'm going to pull out some of my hollow glitter and press it around my design to make it more festive. And once I'm done applying my glitter, I'm going to let it dry, add my top coat, and my nail design is complete. For the fifth and final nail design, I'm going to be doing the Peppermint Swirl. I started off with my white nail polish and my nail art brush, and I put a little dot in the center of my nail. Then I made little swirl or curved lines extending from the tip of my nail, narrowing down toward the dot in the center of my nail. And I do want to point out that you can do this in white or red, whatever you're comfortable with. I like to sketch in my designs and then color over them, so this white will end up red. And I continued the swirls all the way around my nail. Here's my little peely that I peeled off of my nail. This is the first design that I did, and I tried to make this one as close to that as I could. Now with my red nail polish and my nail art brush, I'm going to go around my nail and fill in all my white spaces. Once that is complete, I'm going to go in with my white nail polish and nail art brush and fill in all the empty space around my nail with white and connect any that needs to be toward the middle in the center of the nail. I did decide to add glitter to this nail, so I took one of my glitter nail polishes and went over the design very lightly. And that's it. Your Peppermint Swirl nail design is complete. And here are a couple pictures of the one with glitter and without glitter. So that is it for this tutorial. 5 Christmas Nail Art Designs Part 2. I hope everyone has an amazing holiday season. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you like. Don't forget to hit the bell button for notifications whenever I upload new content. I try to get a video out every Saturday. Also, don't forget you can watch all of my nail art video tutorials in the quick view mode, like I post on Instagram and Facebook. There is a playlist that will also be linked if you want to watch them in quick view mode. I hope everyone has a great Christmas, and I will see y'all next Saturday.